Yeah, people can be very cruel at time. Right now, Shensia mourn the death of our moms, and you know what I mean. There's people on the internet that say some unkind things. You see me? People that say she basically sacrificed her mother for get more famous and them thing there. From what you me see that story about, me just never did all just follow it up. But the only reason I talk about it is because she talk about it, and I just want to hear what she have to say about it, because she see it. And who did I do it? No, say she does see it. You see what I say? All the time, at this, the people them do. When time Popcorn lose film friend, unruly Shagel, I see him thing them say, I sacrifice Popcorn, sacrifice him friend. You see me? So, I mean, as human being, we have to just look in ourselves sometime. And I mean, and just know what we are say about other people and the impact what we have upon their life. It means a person when I always try to be very responsible with whatever I say. Some people might call it coward, some people might call it like, you know what I mean, fraidy or whatever, but that's just my way that. My way is just a safe way. Because anything you put on the internet, people, 10, 20, 30 years, it's infinite. It now come off back. And them same people always say things about Shensia, and I say that Shensia sacrificed her mother. Later on, you probably run a Shensia, and Shensia can just pull it up right this and say, you did say it. You see me? So, more while, you know what I mean, if you're there yard and the meds and I talk to your people, that's a different thing. But when you put in a public arena and make accusation of somebody, and some of this sort, when she had got through our bad times right now, that's very unkind. And also you have a thing when your bad blessing will follow you. You see me? So, means that you were very responsible when I put up on the internet. Even though some people might take it for granted, or some people might even do it and feel like the views is worth it. Them kind of views are not worth it to me. You see me? I bet I'm stay with me there and don't get them kind of views. You see me? But to each his own. But anyway, people, I'm gonna make you hear what Shensia have to say, because she see it and she responds to it. So let us hear what Shensia have to say about it.
And people were really attacked about sacrifice. Like, brother, I needed them to understand, say. You see, social media, in case you never notice, social media is a thing where, yeah, I use it a lot. It's my biggest platform. And I use it to promote myself and my music and, you know, help me get over there. But there are things that you can never get me to really do, which is get angry over comments. You get me? And you see, in a time like this, when my mother dead, and I come and talk about sacrifice, that show me that the devil himself said no. So I even forget. I even forget worked up over that. But I need enough to know as well, say, I really can find you. You get me? I really can. It's really not hard what I want. Because God, you can't hide from God. And as I said, he is looking out for me. So we were talking about me sacrificing my mother on a sick as fuck. Sick, you fuck. Sick. Brother, on a sick. And let me tell you this. You see, as much as I don't see me get hate on social media, I've never received any energy like that in real life. Never. Everywhere I go, I love nobody. Nobody never yet style me yet in person. All I'ma show them full. You get me? So that really show you say social media is not real life. I'm need them to understand that. All I'm shingings are really sometimes when I get worked up. I tell you say, brother, it not stay say in a real life. Everywhere I go, I love. Everywhere I go. You get me? Social media is really just a front for some people. It's not a front for me because I'm really who I am on social media in real life. And everybody who knows me can really tell you that. Every artist, every producer who meet me, them can tell say, same way I must stay in person.
So you hear what she has say. And like few people them will feel like she just attack and I say she can't find you, but she just now go through that. You see what I say? It's true. She can find you. It's like, I mean, it's not hard to find people on the internet. You see what I say? If you really wanted to. You know, from the first time when it just happened, Shensia also posted and she said, if you see her in a public, don't bring it up, please. You know what I mean? 'Cause I just go break her again. And she said that again today when she did live. And she even go up on her story and she makes some posts and she said, I don't need pity, please. I just need prayers and peace, right? And she also put up another post and she said, and to anyone that lost their mother, please, I'd like to hear how you have managed to cope with it, right? So Sheneea really, I try to get back, like she even mentioned on the longer version, I have that on my IGTV, right? So if you want to watch it, just head over to Dancehall IG on Instagram. I want you can see it, right? So she had talked about like she need to make some post so the picture with her and her mother can go down on the page. So every time she go on the page, she have to see it, because she has said when she go on the page and see it, it just hit her. You see me? I'm understand that. So she had tried to like find a way to deal with it, you know, because people this rough here and we can see it. We can see it rough, and then all these talking where people attack, you know what I mean, added to it. That's crazy, yo. You know what I mean? So people just please, you see me I say, stay off a negative with her. You see me I say, if we just please do the right thing. You see it. And you know, like what she said one time, people see her in her real life, I just love she get, you know, most of the people them would talk, if the people them make the bad comments them and them thing there, them would never say that to your face in a real life. You know what I mean? Somebody said to me that what people put on the internet, like a comment away in your thoughts. So, you know what I mean? A lot of them people are not even talking in a real life. And them people they go on the most on the internet and say the most, you know, people them are outspoken in a real life. That's for them outlet. But it's unfortunate that your outlet actually affects somebody else's life in a negative way. You see me I say? You have to be more responsible with that. You see me? And let me tell you something. A few years ago, there was this video was circulated on Facebook mostly. I'm sure they're elsewhere on the internet, but it probably still did it to like me say everything work up on the internet is basically infinite, right? So it was a youth like him a rapper, and this is an American video by the way to people. He one youth him a rapper and he's like the man will always put up in music, and it's like there was this one user would just keep on and just diss him a degrading thing, right? Nothing wrong with degrading, you know, but the man feel like it was a personal attack upon him, and man, you know what I mean? So my message them when I see was like, yeah, like someone comment them was just like them thing that will make people go home and med certain kind of way about themselves. You see me I say want to end them being. You see me? If you don't understand what I say, I really want to just say it out like that. But yeah, anyway, the youth find him. Like him find him, and to his surprise he wasn't like no big thick youth or nothing like that. It was a little scrawny white boy, you see me? Somebody who can't really can action no match up to what them are say online. You see me? Like they can't really defend themselves in a real life, in other words. You see me? So maybe that of them go to feel like boom, them can just say what they want to say, you know? So the man find him, the man mash up him, can do all kind of things, you see me? And it was just like me, that was my moment. And that was before me started this vlogging thing, and I'm say, you know, so the internet something me serious. There's some other things I never want to talk about. Yeah, in our little space we might take it for granted, but you know what I mean? Me just I say, if you can be more responsible. You know what I mean? I think people should be very responsible with the net, but maybe everybody not gonna see it like us here. As Jamaicans, we're very aggressive and we feel like we can't tell anybody Ray, and if we are this and Ray. I've been through those phases, you see me? Right now, all I want to do just go so boom and present entertainment video to the people. So, you know what I mean? Right now, Sheneea got through her thing, and just condolences to Sheneea. We shouldn't have uplift her more than a jagger dog, you see me? And just, you know what? It's just selected few people. Because that is not the main story. The main story when I see people are push is that Sheneea lost her moms, and like how she go live today and everybody has share it still. So it's a selected few. You see me? If them choose to do the right thing, oh well. But just know say to every action there's a reaction. There's always consequences to things we do, whether or not you know it. And it might not be today, but later on. So just be careful if you don't want to be careful still. Because someone not going to choose to do the right thing. You see me? But just no sessions you see it, which is very bad, you see me I say, because this should be the last thing on our mind, right? But I mean, people always I go say what they must say. She just I go fight you and go through. I think she have the more support of the good things saying and people supporting her and did it for her. You know what I mean? Like a family more than this. You see me? And this I gonna be like hopefully me not have to talk about this again. You see me? Ever. So thank you for watching this video.